Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 15, 2024, Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 15, 2024, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, January 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 15, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 18 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 680 million pesos for January 15, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of January 15, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.